Hey, Westsiders. I'm here to talk about a chilling incident that unfolded right on the streets of the west side of Jacksonville, Florida. I'm Alexis for the Westside Chronicles, your go-to host for all news and events affecting our community. Just yesterday, in broad daylight, a man found himself in a life-threatening situation that sounds more like a scene from an action movie than something you'd expect at your local stoplight. It was around 2:45 p.m. on a regular Sunday afternoon. Picture this. You're waiting at a red light, probably thinking about your grocery list or planning your evening, when suddenly chaos erupts. A man, just like any of us, was stopped at the red light on Normandy Boulevard, right outside the CareSpot Urgent Care near Lane Avenue. Out of nowhere, his purple Nissan was bombarded with bullets in what appeared to be a calculated drive-by shooting. In a desperate bid for survival, the victim slammed on the gas pedal. His car screeched away from the scene, heartbreakingly hitting the curb hard enough to lose its front bumper. But he didn't stop there. He managed to get himself to the urgent care clinic, seeking immediate help. Miraculously, despite suffering several gunshot wounds, he's now in stable condition. But the shooters? They're still out there. This isn't just a news report. It's a stark reminder of the fragility of peace and safety in our daily lives. Now, if this story has done anything, it has certainly reminded us of the critical role we all play in community safety. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office is urging anyone with information to come forward. You could be the key to bringing some semblance of justice to this terrifying ordeal. In moments like these, it's not just about the shock or the fear. It's about coming together as a community to stand against such senseless violence. So let's not let this be just another headline that fades into the background. Let's keep our eyes open, support our local law enforcement, and most importantly, look out for one another. Thank you for taking the time to listen. This is Alexis, signing off for the Westside Chronicles, brought to you by B&K Productions Incorporated. Until next time, stay safe, Westsiders, and take care of each other.